you kind of just be like, oh, you're one, but then you realise that they've already got married, they've got kids, and they're all taking them to art school as well. I'm like, that makes me feel like, I don't know, both old and really young at the same time. It's just like... But I'm like, nothing's just like, oh, that's fine. I don't even go to like, I don't even go to like when you're in Sharka. Sharka's not like, it's not the equivalent. Sharka is like what was created in India. More like tied to like yeah. So it's not really equivalent to Singapore. Yeah, that's not really like but there is politics in the
no, there is actual like politics. Like it was like more kind of ramen.
Yeah.
That's just cast.
Oh yeah, there's cast as well. That's a separate thing, though.
No, we don't.
We technically do not. No. We technically obviously don't have cast. Is what we say. But like you know when you can tell from like your house name, for example, you can tell sort of what cast that is. Yeah. And it's already like, oh my god. So because they know obviously without being like stuff, everyone keeps trying to get in with you and it's so weird. As soon as they hear, no, it's like you should see the switch as soon as they hear that they're from our household. They're like, oh my god. And then they can't before they be like, it's not like work my time. But then as soon as they hear from the household, they're like, oh my god.
Well, we already went past the Man United Stadium. That's so crazy. I don't know if people do that.
Oh yeah, we do that. It's so. I'm not gonna lie, I get really annoyed at
I do that every year.
Oh yeah, we went on a school trip there. Like the fact that they have to try that
out every year. We have this massive thing called speech night in there every year. Yeah, yo, let me like.
You guys watch anime?
That Elsa though. That's like Elsa.
I watch more anime. It's quite good.
Which one have you watched?
Oh look, oh it's in this wall. It's here.
Alright, okay.
I don't realise the cosplay was anyway.
They're now approaching St Peter's Square, where you can change for services to Exchange Square, Piccadilly and Ashton.
Whether it's Manchester United having a match or not, there's always so many people around. Oh look, I just said something and here we are. We've got something going on.
That's beautiful.
I haven't been a basketball.
Oh, we've got Scottish bagpipers. We've got bagpipers. Why is there a random drum? There's a huge
I'm just gonna rip out all
I'll be the new person.
Yes.
We are now approaching Shudehill, where you can change for local buses and free buses around the city centre. We are now approaching Victoria, where you can change for services to Bury, Oldham and Rochdale, National Rail and free buses around the city centre.